2023 Buick Enclave. This SUV offers space as well as power and performance. It delivers power and performance along with tons of features such as cross-traffic alert, lane keeping assist, side view mirrors with turn signals, lane departure warning, Wi-Fi hotspot, satellite radio, multi-zone air conditioning, blind spot monitor, third row seating, heated side view mirrors, leather seats, backup camera, passenger seat adjustable lumbar support, tinted windows, rear air conditioning. Get pre-approved now and make this your next vehicle.